do with one basic idea: color. First, we're going to get to the page. There's one more command I should have maybe told you about, maybe I haven't. Home. Home is a command that gets you back to home. Let me set the size back to 40 so you can see it. Let's say you move the turtle around here. Home brings you home. If the pen's down, it will draw a line. If your pen's up, let me drag over here, hit home. Home goes exactly where you were. I mean, right in the middle of the screen, pointed up, but it doesn't clear the screen. It just goes home. Let's see this basic idea of color. Up here at the top, you have your color palette, little paintbrush, yellow thing. Looks like maybe a knife too, I don't know. Painting, clip art. Click on that, up pops a whole bunch of things. Lots of stuff, lots of things you can do. We're going to click on red here. You can see where it's outlined with a rectangle, but there's a 15 there in that little box. That's the color red. If you, let me CG this, you'll notice the palette still stays there. Set color, all one word, 15. Turtle becomes red. You can also do it with quotes. And suppose you don't like numbers, like the words better, you can use red. If I come back and do that, blue, notice that you don't need quotes at the end. A lot of programming languages use quotes for some reason, but not necessarily at the end. It's just kind of a identification, an introductory thing. You don't need to have, it's not like your English teachers tell you, maybe. The shortened version is set C. Let's say it's green. If you don't know, you can come over here to the color palette, start clicking away. Yeah, 118. 118. The nice part about numbers is you can use them in a program for variables. Can't use words necessarily, although you can use them as strings. Set color 118. Now it'll draw, if your pen's down, it'll draw in color. Anything you want to do in color. Square 100. Whatever the turtle's size is, whatever the turtle's color is, it will make it that color. There's another command, very similar. It's called set background. setbg, set stands for set background. Let's say we want it black. Whole background just goes to black. Set black background, green. There you go. So you can turn the whole background automatically, one command, into different colors, which is fantastic. Set background 0 is back to white background. One more command, it has to do with color. It's called fill. You can make any shape as long as it's not cut, or if there's no place where it can leak out, there's no gaps. Let's use the square again. Square 100. Pen was down. Most crucial thing is now we're going to fill it. But first you have to get inside. Put your pen up. Please make sure you pen up. Go forward a little bit. You do not have to be right in the middle. All you have to do is be inside. Whoa, not like that. Sorry about that. All you have to do is inside. You have to be somewhere where you're like in the swimming pool. Off the diving board, off the edge, you are in the pool. If you are in the pool, you can type in the word fill. Everything's colored in that shape. Square, rectangle, triangle, castle, little this, little that, but as long as there's no missing links, as long as no gaps, you can change it. Let's change the color back to purple. Actually, it doesn't like purple for some reason. It does like violet. Set color, we'll try turquoise. Spell it correctly. Turquoise. Fill. You can change the color of the turtle, draw in it. You can set the background of your whole page with set background. You can make some kind of shape, square, rectangle, castle, all kind, half circle, whatever it is. Get inside. The key is getting your pen up. Get your pen up, move inside, fill it in. You can have color all over the place.